Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia and in this video I'll go through my process of how I ice dyed this fabric. Ice dyeing is now one of my favorite things because it's so simple, so easy, and it just looks so good. I really enjoyed putting it on notebooks and pencil cases and bags, and I'm excited to show you my process. So the main two things you need are fabric and dye. I used an old white cotton sheet which worked really well, held the dye really well, and I used Dylon machine dye. I also went the extra mile and soaked my fabric in soda ash, which enhances the colours and makes sure it doesn't come out faded. So I did this for about 30 minutes. I'll put all the materials I used in the description below so you can have a look at that. The next step is to scrunch up the material and put it on a tray, and then put that tray over a bucket to catch all the water when the ice melts. And then you put a layer of ice on. I put as much ice as we had in the freezer. I don't know if you need more, but this one turned out quite well. It wasn't completely covered with ice, but mostly covered with ice, and then I poured a layer of Dylon dye on top of the ice. After this step, I was so tempted to, have a look at it and keep pouring dye on or move the ice around, but I just let it melt for 24 hours. I just let it sit and didn't touch it, and then in the morning I washed out the fabric. I put it through the washing machine, and this is how it turned out. I've been having a lot of fun adding this fabric as an embellishment to notebooks and pencil cases and bags, and it's a really nice, unique kind of print to have around. I really like it, and it was just so easy. If you feel inspired to try some ice dyeing, I'd love to see what you make. Please tag me on Instagram or Facebook and comment below. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing if you want to see more art tutorials and process videos and behind the scenes kind of things. All of these pieces are up on my Etsy shop, so if you're interested, the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.